this is my juicer. I just got it from Target, I think. And this is some celery, and we're gonna make some celery juice. I try to do this in the morning. So first thing in the morning, you want to do your celery juice. If you need more instructions on it, follow Medical Medium on Instagram, and he can kind of tell you more about it. But it's really good for like inflammation, like different like diseases and stuff like that, like skin diseases and stuff. It's really good for stuff like that. So I've been trying to implement this into my diet. So I have some celery. This is about a stock worth, so we'll see how much it'll make. And I'm gonna try to make 12 ounces of celery juice, and I drink that on an empty stomach first thing in the morning. Alrighty, so after my celery juice, I'm gonna go ahead and use my blender bottle and blend in 2 scoops of this Vital Proteins Beauty Collagen blend. And this is in the flavor strawberry lemon. This is like my favorite flavor by them. I follow Vital Proteins on Instagram, so go ahead and go follow them too. I like they have like protein shots or beauty collagen shots that are like really cool. I definitely like taking care of my skin, hair, nails, and joint support. So whenever I was pregnant, I definitely took a lot of prenatal vitamins and a lot of vitamins. So I didn't want to stop now that I'm not pregnant anymore. So I decided to pick this up, and I really, really like it. I love taking vitamins, and like especially vitamins that help you stay young, you know what I'm saying? So go check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2 scoops and drink this. And it says to put it in, let's see, it says to put it in 8 ounces of water, but I actually put it in 12 ounces just because I want to get my allotted water in for today. That's another thing, drink a lot of water, and I'm trying to get healthy, you know what I'm saying? So we're out here trying to get healthy. Alrighty, so this is my breakfast. I'm having 3 fried eggs, some cheese, a little bit of yogurt, and some fruit on top. So I am kind of doing the ketogenic diet, or whatever diet you call it, the really high protein, low carb diet. So this is what I found works for me best. I do have to have like a little bit of sweetness in my diet. And yeah, I like eggs, especially fried eggs, and it's good because it has some oil in it. So that helps with the grams and fat you have to have for the ketogenic diet. So yeah, this is my yummy breakfast. I'm gonna add some salt and pepper to my eggs. I love spicy things. So yeah, just keep that in mind. There'll probably be some Tabasco on this as well. But yeah, this is my breakfast. I do track everything in my FitnessPal. Alrighty, so this is my dinner. I have some broccoli, shrimp, steak, and then a small little salad. Looks so yummy. Yeah, I do like intermittent fasting just because that's what works with my schedule, and also I've never like really ate breakfast. So just so you know, I eat 2 large portions a day. I don't really do the whole 3 times a day eating kind of thing, just because I end up forgetting to eat and stuff. But this looks really good, and this is what I'm gonna have for dinner. Hey, yo.